The same case, the price of the share at the end of 3 years is 9%. If the price of the share of the end of 3 years, if 9% growth rate is achieved, and assuming the other condition remain the same. What are the other conditions? 13%, 9%, 8%, everything. Dividend 14, and share price 360, everything. And now question is, calculate the rupee amount to 2 decimal point if it is future value 9%, 13%, 13% year 1, year 2, year 3. You want to calculate the share price of the share of a price of a share at the end of 3 years. At the end of 3 years, if the 9% growth rate is achieved. This is for your condition, it's not to consider. Calculate the price of share at the end of 3 years. Third year end, what will be the share price if the 9% growth rate is achieved? All the remainings are same. You see. So dividend for how much? First year we will pay right now, but the dividend for is 18.13, right? Yes. 18.13. The growth rate is similar now, 1.09% growth rate divided by 13% minus 14.9%. You will get 494. This will be the expected price value after 3 years, because this formula only everyone follow, and you can find this growth rate is constant indefinitely. Now we can do the same thing and you will get the same price. For a second year, we want to get now what is the value? Second year what? 16.63 divided by 4%. So third year I want to get now 18.13 divided by 4%. Yes, this is what you want to get the answer. You got it? Thank you.